Hello guys, welcome to Davehenzy Tech. Today I'll show you guys how to create cartoon sticker or icon for your WhatsApp. If you are using Android iPhone, it works for you. You can use it as a wallpaper. So without not wasting much time, we're going to head on to it. Click on the right three icon, click on settings, then you go to avatar. If you're using the latest WhatsApp, you'll see the avatar there option. Then you click on create. Now, the first one is supposed to do, we need to create our skin tone color. So I'm going to choose this color. I don't like it, it's looking too brown. So let me change it to something lighter. So I'm going to choose this so you can see. Then the next thing we need to choose is our hairstyle. Currently the guy is bald, so once I choose that hairstyle, automatically it enters or displays on the cartoon character we have on this big part of it. The only thing we need to choose is the hair color. I prefer to choose black. Then we choose outfit. Let me just choose something nice that works well for me. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, this is the best time to do that. Just click on the icon below by your left right hand corner of your screen below, then subscribe for more videos like this. I'll be dropping a lot of videos related to this, how to code, how to do tricks and tips on your Android phones, how to edit video, and how to make money with your mobile phone, how to do digital marketing. So currently I'm choosing this outfit. I think is good for me, and the bodies, so I think I will go with this body type. Now the next thing we need to do is the eye shape. Let me find something that suits my desire. You can design or choose whatever you want. You mustn't do what I do, but I'm just showing how you can do everything or how you can arrive at it. So I'm choosing this eye. Okay, let me go for this. So I'm choosing that. Um, so the next thing I need to do is choose the eye color. Choose a little bit brown, light brown. So choose if you want to do makeup, which is the eyelash. For the ladies, I think this is applicable to you. You can just choose any of it that works for you. But for me, I think I will go with this one. So you come to the eyebrow, you can choose whichever. And if you don't want to apply any of these functions, you can just leave it at default. The first option you see by the top boxes, if you observe, these are boxes with different shapes and sizes. The first one is the default one you have there now. So if you choose any other one, it will change. So I'm through the eyebrow. Let me choose the color. Choosing black. Let me go to. Okay, I'm not Hindu, so I don't use those marks, that red mark on my face. So let me choose nose type. I think I will choose this pointed nose. And nose ring, I don't use nose ring, so I'll just use the first one, which means I don't need any of those. So the next thing I'm going to do now is mouth shape. You're going to pick a shape of mouth that suits you, that you like. So currently I will choose that one, then I'll go to likes and share